Hey, here we go. Lesson 1-2, Order of Operations. Let's see what's up. So remember, order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. And this should be mostly you, I would think. Let's look at some examples and see if there's anything strange in this lesson. Well, here's number 21 in your book, page 13. Looks like no parentheses, exponents, 2 to the third, 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. So I have 8 times 4, 24 divided by 6. Well, I have to do multiplication and division next. That would be 4 plus 32. Answer should be 36. There you go. Woohoo, I'm on a roll. Well, that's only one problem. It's not really a roll yet. Alright. Oh, parentheses now. Let's see, inside parentheses. Have to do the 10 squared first. 100, that would be 100, and then I can add the 1 to it because I'm still inside the parentheses. 101. Something minus 101? Wow. Really? Interesting. 3 to the 5th. Oh, goodness. I better get myself some help here. 243. 3 to the 5th. 243 minus 101. What is that? 142. So, that's the big thing for a fair amount of this, is just make sure that you have everything in the right order as you do it. Alright, now let's look at some different stuff that's here. This is number 35. This is where they tell you what G and R are. So 3 times G would be 3 times 2. G plus R, I think that's 5. It looks like I'm squaring that. Minus 1. Alright, parentheses first. 25. And then, can't subtract yet. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 25 minus 1. I think 6 times 25 is 150 minus 1. Looks like 149. I'm doing okay. What do you know? Let's look at number 36 here, see if you know what you're doing there. 36 talks about the area of a triangle. There are a couple ways you can do this. They do want an expression for this. Just remember that a triangle, the area of a triangle, the formula, basic formula is base times height divided by 2. Now you got to write that in terms of what you see on number 36. So there you go. 38, figure that one out. 47 looks fun. There's really nothing here that's too tricky. Let's look at 47. So make sure you're again on page 13. I'm going to write this down and get back to you. This is a whole mess of order of operations stuff here. Looks like I need to start inside the parentheses. Well, we have all kinds of parentheses here. And even brackets. Woo, fancy. So in here, I have to start in here first. And I have to do that, multiplication and division, before I can subtract. I'm pretty sure 3 times 5 is 15. 16 minus 15. That was going to be a 1 right there. Helpful if I had a pen. 1. And then over here, before I can do this, this is interesting if you look at it. Because really, you have to treat the top and the bottom of this like it's in parentheses. So I would have 15 divided by 5, that's 3. I'm pretty sure that the 1 plus 3, the whole thing in here, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus the 25 on the outside, I'm pretty sure the answer will be 29. Yep, sure enough. You know, that's one thing you'll get to on some of those other problems, is multiplication and division. I want to show you one more. This is number 53. So I'm going to start putting things in here. So a and b, that's 8 over 4, and that's squared. And then I have 16 over a minus b, minus 8 over 8 minus 4. So, well, I know I do have parentheses. I have to do that first. 8 divided by 4, that's going to be 2 squared. That'll give me a 4 right here, because I have to do those exponents first. Now, can't do subtraction yet. I have to do multiplication and division. However, again, this 8 minus 4 being on the bottom, you have to do that first. You have to simplify each part. So you have to think of fractions like that. 8 minus 4, that's 4. 16 divided by 4, that is also 4. Looks like the answer is 0. So the thing I want you to remember is this, that those are parentheses when you have an operation in a fraction. Now I'm going to have you do 57 also. It's about pyramids. And they give you the volume of the pyramid. 1/3 area of the base times the height. And then they're going to give you a pyramid at the Louvre and the Great Pyramid of Egypt. And they tell you to draw them both, so here's my beautiful artistic rendering of each pyramid, painstakingly recreated here for you. The French one, the Louvre, has 35.42, and then the height 21.64. The Great Pyramid, as you can see, drawn exactly to scale, 230 meters on a side, and a height of 146.5. Oops, 146.5. All right, and you have to figure out the area of the base. They are both square pyramids, it says, and you're going to write an expression for the difference in the volume of two pyramids. Write a verbal expression for the difference. Oh my. We're going to skip B on this one. So you do this, don't do the verbal expression, just write the algebraic expression. Write it as math. So the area of the base of both would be your side squared, correct? So it's side squared, each side squared times height divided by 3. And then you subtract 1 from the other. And that'll get you your answer there. So, that's 57. Alright, let's look at 58. 58 is about money. This person receives in salary an average commission each month. So, there you go, that's the commission each month. And a bonus. It must be an annual bonus. You're supposed to write an expression for this. And the thing you got to think about is, you've got your salary, your annual bonus, and then there's a monthly thing. I wonder what needs to go in front of that C. And it tells you, in B, it tells you the salary, tells you that average commission is $12.25 per month, and each of the 4 bonuses. Oh, there are 4 bonuses. What do you know? Did I miss the 4 bonuses somewhere? Oh, it did in A. Excuse me. It did say 4 bonuses. And then the 4 bonuses, each one is $11.50. So, algebraic expression, and then I want to know the total. There you go. So, if you haven't figured it out, the assignment on this experience is pages 13 to 14, numbers 16 through 54, even, and 57 and 58. There you go.